Hi, it's Renee. I'm going to do a really quick flip through of this garden planning journal I just finished up for a friend, and let's just get started. I wanted it to get a garden feel. She loves gardening and I wanted to kind of plan this around that. I love this string right here. It looks like moss to me. I just put a little embellishment here that has some keys. It says my heart because she loves gardening, and then just a little decorative thing that was gifted to me by someone. And here's the cover. There's a little bit of sewing around here and some embroidery. I made some seed packets out of old gardening book pages so she could save her seeds, and I stuck some seeds in there in the little front pocket. I used Tim Holtz papers, and the majority of the other papers in the book are from Artie Mays and Love Junk Journals, Tracy Fox. Their Herbal Remedies kit, but this is Tim Holtz paper right there. I have a little gardening shovel as a dangly. Did a little bit of stenciling throughout and stamping. I always leave spots so people can make their own, make the journal their own. And I put little bits and pieces of what I used in the pockets, and you'll see that. Here's a little tip-in spot, a little Artie Mays journaling spot there. I actually cut out a piece of it and used it a different way. Some collaging, a couple of tags here. That's in one of Artie Mays' other kits, and then a little tag here that's also from another kit or a freebie she has. Some old gardening book pages, and then this is actually a pocket right here on some eco-dyed paper. The little bits and pieces are in here to be added so she can make it her own. Lots of little bits and pieces in there. Some more eco-dyed paper. This was from not cilantro, citronella and rose petals, and this is the original paper that is in here. A little bit of stamping, some little bits and pieces, another pocket with more ephemera in here to add her own ideas. Little pocket page with another little bit of collaging and another seed packet, actually 2 seed packets. I thought that image was kind of cool from a book. And I made, the way I do these is I put a envelope here, but then there's a belly band on the other side that holds in the envelope. No need for a paper clip. A couple more tags, pages from a book, stamping, a couple more tags. I started using Corey Dahman's ideas of using the reverse imprint of your cutouts, and I made a collage tag out of that. And then another tag here and some gardening type paper to write on. Like I said, this could be really quick. We've got a tag here. It's a double pocket. I'm trying to add more pockets. We'll figure that one out. This is a trifold for a journaling spot. And then, there we go. And here's another journaling spot. Put those back in. So that's a double pocket. Trying to follow Corey's flips, flaps, and folds and add a little bit more into my journals. Here's another tag that I created. It's a double tag for journaling. And then there's journaling on the back, and another reverse imprint of my die cut. Put that in there. Another envelope with some more bits and pieces. And then again, my belly band on the side, a couple more tags, a little bit of stamping, a little note card with some birds on it, and a snippet roll piece here, used as a pocket. Some more pages. Again, another pocket with little bits and pieces. And then I put in here in my gardening journals, in my nature journals, I try to put in a couple of pieces of parchment paper. So if somebody wants to save bits and pieces, or in this case, if she wants to save spices and flower bits, she can put it in here and close up the book and it'll dry it out. Here's another little tag. And then there's some miscellaneous butterfly paper in here, a couple pieces of that. But I started doing this and I kind of like the idea of having a place to put your flowers. That's an empty, well, there's one little bit in there, little Artie Mays tag. I like this because a lot of people want to press flowers, something we did when we were kids, and it's just kind of cool. This is, I think this is a piece of the rose petal. It might be a piece of butterfly bush, but again, eco-dyed paper. A little bit of stenciling, a little envelope from the Artie Mays kit, and then a paper clip. This is a paper clip here that I made, and then this piece was attached as a floating pocket. I love this image. It's not antique, so I can't make a copy of it. It's from the original book. I just love it though. Here's another Artie Mays tag. A little bit of gardening picture. I thought that was kind of pretty. And a lace doily pocket. And then this is the other cool thing I love about my gardening journals, is there's a little book in here. This one only has 2 signatures, but the little book that's Artie Mays cover, it's for actual planning of your garden. So I put in here many pages that have grids in it, and then some writing notes. So this can actually be used as the garden planning. Here's a couple more seed packets I made. These seed packets are really easy. I'll explain that really quick here. But that's what this little section is. So the seed packets, all you do, you take something round. I used my coffee can. I traced out a circle, and I just folded all 4 corners down. These are round right here. I folded all 4 corners down and made this a square, cut off the corners, and then just put a little sticker on there, and she's got some seed packets to save for her garden next year. I hope this wasn't too fast, but I want to get this out in the mail to her. I've been working on it for a little bit, and I hope you enjoyed looking at my flip through. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Be safe. Thank you.